Welcome to our detailed comparison of two popular treadmills based on online reviews and feature comparisons, the Sperax treadmill and the Nordic T-Series 5 treadmill. Today we're diving into what makes each product stand out to help you decide which treadmill is the best fit for your fitness journey. When it comes to affordability, the Sperax treadmill takes the lead with a price tag of $499, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to get started on their fitness journey without breaking the bank. On the other hand, the NordicTrack T-Series 5 comes in at $599, offering additional features that may justify the higher price for some users. According to Amazon reviews, both treadmills offer good value for their price, but the Sperax is particularly appreciated for its cost-effectiveness. In terms of innovative features, the Sperax treadmill impresses with its 2-in-1 folding design, making it ideal for small spaces and easy storage. Reviewers praise its versatility and compactness. The NordicTrack T-Series 5, however, boasts IFIT-enabled technology, offering virtual workouts that transport users around the globe. This feature is highly appreciated by those looking for an immersive workout experience. Both treadmills bring something unique to the table, catering to different user needs. For comfort and usability, the Sperax treadmill features a wide non-slip belt, ensuring a safe and comfortable workout. This aspect is frequently mentioned in reviews, highlighting the treadmill's reliability for steady walking and jogging. The NordicTrack T-Series 5, with its quick speed controls, allows for easy adjustments mid-workout, a feature that users find extremely convenient. Both treadmills excel in providing a comfortable and user-friendly experience, but for different reasons. On the technology front, the Sperax treadmill offers a multifunctional LED display and remote control, making it easy to track your progress without breaking stride. Reviewers appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of the display. The NordicTrack T-Series 5, featuring a built-in tablet and smartphone holder, is perfect for those who like to stay entertained while exercising. This feature is well received by users who enjoy multitasking during their workouts. Looking under the hood, the Sperax treadmill boasts a powerful 2.5 horsepower motor, capable of supporting up to 280 pounds, offering strength and durability. The NordicTrack T-Series 5, with its 2.6 chp motor, provides constant power, ensuring a smooth and uninterrupted workout. Both treadmills are praised for their powerful motors, but the Sperax is particularly noted for its ability to accommodate a wide range of users. When it comes to assembly and space, the Sperax treadmill requires no assembly, making it an instant hit for those eager to get started right away. The NordicTrack T-Series 5, while offering a solid workout experience, does require some assembly, which can be a deterrent for some. Reviewers appreciate the ease of setup for the Sperax and its space-saving design. Overall, Amazon reviews for the Sperax treadmill highlight its affordability, compact design, and ease of use, making it a great choice for small spaces and budget-conscious users. The NordicTrack T-Series 5 treadmill, on the other hand, is praised for its immersive workout experiences, reliable performance, and convenient features, catering to users looking for a more feature-rich option. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Sperax treadmill and the Nordic T-Series 5 treadmill. If you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below, sharing which product you prefer and why. Check the description for links to both products. We look forward to hearing your thoughts and helping you make the best choice for your fitness journey. See you in the next video.